As a part of Metsa Group, MetsaBoard only uses wood that comes from sustainable northern forests. More than 80% of the wood used by Metsa Group is certified. Metsa Group uses every part of a tree for its best purpose. The most robust part is turned into sawn goods. The thinner parts are used for pulp production, which is then utilised for board and paper production. Logging residuals go to the biopower plant for energy production. Trucks leave the forest bound for the pulp mill, the wood product mill or the biopower plant. For every tree we use, 4 new saplings are planted. Metsa Group develops and manufactures high-quality pulps. MetsaBoard is a pioneering large producer of bleached chemi-thermo-mechanical pulp, known as BCTMP, a state-of-the-art pulp with many benefits. By using only our own pulps, we're able to guarantee the consistent quality of our carton boards. Our pulps contribute to board properties such as lightness, stiffness and printability. Pulp made from fresh forest fibres is safe and free from any contaminants, unlike pulps made from recycled fibres. An important byproduct of pulp production is energy, which helps power our mills and supply the local community with heat or power as well. Pulp is transported to the board mill in dried bales or pumped directly from the pulp mill via pipelines. At the board mill, refining is one of the most important processes affecting board properties. Refining enables bonding between fibrillated fibres. Our light but stiff boards are made by using first-class pulp on modern machinery, benefiting from know-how gained over many decades. The boards have a 3-layer structure that contributes to the key properties: lightweight, stiffness and brightness. The middle layer uses a mechanical pulp, typically BCTMP or groundwood. The top and bottom layers are made from chemical pulp. Our machines have 3 wires. At the wet end of the board machine, stock, the fibre slurry, is sprayed from 3 individual head boxes onto the 3 separate wires. At this stage, the stock is 99% water and only 1% fibres and is called a web. The 3-layer fibre web passes from the wire section into the press section, where water is squeezed out with a high-pressure roller nip. Excess water is absorbed by press felts between the rollers. After going through the press section, the board web still contains over 50% water. In the drying section, additional water is removed through evaporation when the web is carried around hot drying cylinders. A glazing cylinder in the middle of the drying section creates the basis for final carton board smoothness and gloss without losing thickness. Alternatively, a metal belt calendar at the end of the drying section achieves the same result. Proficient drying ensures good sheet flatness and stability, which in turn ensures good runnability in printing and converting. Surface sizing also takes place here. When a slurry of starch is applied onto both sides of the web, sizing improves surface strength and stiffness of the carton board. After drying, the web enters the coating section. A mix of white pigments and binders is applied onto the running board web. Surplus coating is removed with a coating blade. An accurate coating blade achieves even coverage and a smooth coated surface. High-quality coating is a prerequisite for good printing results, as it gives the board smoothness, gloss, brightness and absorption characteristics. The top surface of the board is usually coated 2 or 3 times, while the reverse is either uncoated or coated once. Finally, the finished board is wound onto a jumbo reel. At the winder, the jumbo reel is cut into smaller reels. Dimensions of the reels are made according to customer specification or optimised for subsequent sheet cutting. For sheet deliveries, the reels are cut into sheets to meet customer specifications. Sheets are stacked onto a wooden pallet base, which matches the sheet size. Sheets on the wooden pallet base are wrapped tightly with plastic shrink wrap, which protects the sheets on all sides from damage, dirt and moisture. In converting, the carton board is first printed with the design promoting the packed product. Typical printing methods are sheet-fed offset and rotogravure. The printed sheet or web of carton board includes several carton blanks, which are separated in the die cutting process. During this process, the blanks are cut and creased, which allows the cartons to be folded in a later process. On the folder gluer, the printed and die-cut carton blanks are pre-folded and glued at the side seams. The converter delivers the cartons to the brand owner's packing line, where they're filled with the product. Consumers know that a carton board package can be recycled, and it's easy to sort it into a separate bin for collection. Trees continue to grow in the forest, supporting nature and local communities throughout their life. By choosing a fresh fibre packaging material, you're choosing renewability and recyclability.